kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Director General of Police Batamai jong ke jela ke kong Ida Shisha Nongrang kala ong ba ke Jinglum Pisa jong ki katto kat ni ki Pulit haki surok ba kala penduk thia do dem ia ke office terekam ba khli do badru ia ke secretariat ha ke bala sakhi ba haki Snem bala dem ke Jinglum Pisa Be-Aiñ kala nang jor Henry Kermen ba ki ba kum kini ki jaj kam kinamla ban pediang dekat tenan bat an shimru ia ki lat kidenti ban Pynbeit ia ki Jingbakla. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor mentah ke sengi ke arpau tarik ujembang arajar arpusau nakaliang ke DGP kala ong bakat kum ke jingla kum ke khli du jong ke tenat Pulit hala ibor kan persang ban penduk ye kini kijat jingpang ki bakta ye ke buram badru ke balong ke lenti ke pamyahap ha ke jela nakaliang ke kong nongrang ha kini ke sengi ha ke badai bat ke jing penjelan ye ke reta thep kam Pulit hapo ke jela kala pentim bakum bala mi hakilat pathai khubor hagini gisngi bala deb halor ka jingdon jong ki breu ki bala lech ka yeng kasari ban kerpat hagaban kintu ye ka sarkar bat ka tanat Pulit ban Pynbeit biang ye karta thep kam Pulit bat ka yeng kasari kat sa penlong ye ka jing pen sngopat ba ha ka arpulai tarik ujemang arajar arpusau bat kermen ba ka yeng bishar kan pech bat bishar ba ka tanat Pulit kala bot thik pathik ye ki kindon ki bala ptha de ka sarkar jilla.
Is giving us a lot of sleepless nights, not only in police headquarters but also in the secretariat. It is something which unfortunately has become more and more open in the last few years. I certainly hope that the message will go down that such things will not be tolerated, and if necessary, we will take extreme measures also to correct that what's happening. Having said that, I can also tell you that there's only, I am not naive enough to believe that, to even think that I will be able to wipe it out totally, but to the extent possible, within my capacity, I will certainly ensure that that is not something which is an everyday affair along all of the highways of the state.
Ma'am, this is a bad image for the
and not only for the people but for the entire state here.
Because I say that this is transit state. People coming
I would also like to say that it's not as if it's only happening in Meghalaya, but be that as it may, it is something that which should not be happening, and we will take corrective measures. Thus, we have a very well-laid plan, and I would say that the Central Recruitment Board has been very proactive on that. Unfortunately, there's been confusion about that relaxation and age, and the perception there's been a different perception. In fact, I would say a misconception as to the departments which are exempted from that. You must be aware that on the 23rd there is a section of a group of people have filed a petition in court. The hearing is on the 23rd. We are hoping that the court will see that we have adhered to the provisions, whatever government instructions have come vis-a-vis the recruitment. Yes, we have a large number of vacancies, but we are hoping to take a leaf of what has happened in Assam, and where they have filled up all the vacancies. And our target is to ensure that those vacancies are filled up and the recruitment is expedited to the extent possible.